The second topic is intensity of electricity. वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता, वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता, वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता. So the ratio of Coulomb force, the ratio of Coulomb force to the testing charge, to the testing charge Q naught is called intensity of electricity. The ratio of Coulomb force to the testing charge Q naught is called intensity of electricity. So here the intensity of electricity E will be F upon Q naught. Okay, where F is Coulomb force and Q naught is testing charge. Now unit and dimension, unit and dimension of E, unit and dimension of E. So what will be the unit of E? Unit of E is equal to unit of force. Unit of force क्या, what is unit of force? Newton, and unit of charge is Coulomb. So unit of E will be N upon C, and for Newton C for Coulomb. Now dimension, dimension of E naught. So dimension of E naught will be the dimension of N and the dimension of C, dimension of F upon dimension of Q. So dimension of E is equal to dimension of force upon dimension of charge, dimension of charge Q. Okay, so dimension of E will be kg meter second to the power minus 2. F is equal to ma, F is equal to ma, F is equal to ma. Okay, so m is kg and a is meter second to the power minus 2. So this is the MKS unit of F, MKS unit of F. Okay, so the dimension of F is what? Dimension of F is kg means m, meter means L, or second means T. What is that power? T to the power minus 2. Okay, so the dimension of F will be ml T to the power minus 2. And the dimension of Q, what is the dimension of Q? Q is equal to IT. I is current and T is time. So the dimension of I will be A, and the dimension of T will be, dimension of time will be T. So the dimension of T will be A T. Now M L A to the power minus 1. In the upon the power of A is 1. So when will it be a go upper side, then the power will be minus 1. Then the power will be minus 1, and t to the power minus 1 and t to the power minus 2 and t to the power minus 1. So what will be the dimension? M L t to the power minus 2, t to the power minus 1. So t to the power minus 3 and a to the power minus 1. So dimension of E will be ml t to the power minus 3 a to the power minus 1, and the unit of E will be Newton per Coulomb. Thank you.